Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you which fuse is for the turn signals on Ford Fiesta MK7. If you have a Fiesta from 2008 to 2017 guys, this one will be a helpful video because sometimes those go bad. We have more than 200 videos, okay, taking apart the whole car, so if you need any video just let us know, we'll try to make it. And the turn signals now, okay, if the fuse is burnt, none of the turn signals will work left or right. Okay, let me show you now. You see the thing blinking fast, but you don't hear any noise. Same thing on the right side. I'm going to leave the left one on, okay, and let me show you. Neither the back or the front you have any turn signals. So let us show you which fuse is for the turn signals and how to replace it. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other, okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers, okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So once you remove the lid guys, you can see the fuses are actually printed on the back, right here, the number of the fuses. So we need the fuse 28, in our case, okay, it's 15M fuse, and right here we're going to replace that fuse, okay, with a new one. We'll have the links for all the fuses and relays we use in the description of the video, so please check it out. Okay, right there. So now, okay, let's go ahead and see if the turn signals work, front, back. Okay, you can see this one working. Okay, let me check the back one. Yep, this one as well, so that fixed the problem guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.